In our last episode, we explored the energy of numbers. Today, we will embark on a deeper journey of self-discovery to find the foundational energy archetype that forms the core of your being, like your spiritual DNA. In Eastern wisdom, this is your inner five-element attribute. Are you creative wood, passionate fire, stable and nurturing, earth, clear and decisive metal, or wise and flowing water? Just as all things in the world are composed of the five energies of metal, wood, water, fire, and earth, each of us also has a dominant five-element attribute. It is determined by the year we were born, deeply imprinted on our energy field. This inner element defines our basic personality, traits, our strengths, our challenges, and our most natural way of interacting with the world. Knowing your inner element is like getting a personalized owner's manual for yourself. It helps you to better understand yourself and to play to your strengths while mitigating your weaknesses. So how do you quickly find your inner element attribute? Look at the last digit of your year of birth. Chart appears on screen. If your birth year ends in 0 or 1, your inner element is metal. If it ends in 2 or 3, your inner element is water. If it ends in 4 or 5, your inner element is wood. If it ends in 6 or 7, your inner element is fire. If it ends in 8 or 9, your inner element is earth. For example, if you were born in 1988, your inner element is earth. If you were born in 1992, your inner element is water. Once you've found your inner element, you can consciously use the generating cycle of the five elements to nourish yourself. For instance, if you were a wood person, more contact with the energy of water, such as taking walks by the water or having a water feature at home, can help you grow and develop. Recognizing your inner element is the first step on the journey of self-awareness and personalized Feng Shui. It is not meant to put a label on you, but to give you a map that you can refer to for returning to your own inner harmony. Only after knowing ourselves can we better create our world. May you walk in harmony with the Tao, and may all your endeavors unfold with ease. In our next episode, we will continue to explore how to adjust your home's energy according to your season of life. Thank you for watching.